we are looking at how to add these together. So you've got 7, let me get my pointy, you've got 7 meters and 36 centimeters. You've got 5 meters and 45 centimeters. Now what's really lucky is there's 100 centimeters in a meter and there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So what you can do then is you change it. So let me get back to my pen. So you change it to become 7.36, because remember this would be the this would be the tenths and this is the hundredths. Okay, so 7.36 plus 5.45, and you would do it as a normal sum. So you could put that into your calculator, 7.36 plus 5.45, and that will give you 12.81 meters. Okay, what I want you to remember is to show you're working out. I will need to see that, I need to see that. Make sure you put your answer and remember to always put your value in at the end. And that's it. Okay, go ahead and try some.